navigating competitors. Hay nako, sa ayaw at sa gusto natin, meron tayong competitors. And if you don't have any competitors, delikado. Ibig sabihin, baka the business is really not that good. Because if your business is good, competitors will smell it and they will come flocking to you. So, the first thing we need to do is, of course, to conduct market research. Actually, kanina meron akong nakausap na isang kliyente. Yun yung sabi niya, Mami En, tuwing introduce ko ng bagong product, tapos kumikita ako, biglang lumalapit sa akin, nagbubukas ng ibang tao na iko-compete ako head-on. Sabi ko, talagang ganon. Because if they see that you are making money, they will also want a piece of the pie. And therefore, anong mga advice ko sa kanila? Tulad ng advice ko kay Lori. The first thing you need to do is to conduct market research. And yung market research na yan, hindi lang yan minsanan. You don't just do it one time. You have to always stay informed. Babantayan mo yung iyong competitors. Ano ba yung offering nila? Ano ba yung pricing nila? Ano ba yung kanilang marketing strategies? You need to be able to watch what they are doing because that will help you identify kung saan ka pwedeng mag-compete, kung saan ka pwedeng maging kakaiba sa kanila. Ito yung tactic ninyo ha, ito naman yung gagawin ko. Differentiate yourself so that you'll be able to attract customers. Don't follow what they are doing. Again, how often do you do market research on your competitors? Ang sagot ko dyan is as often as needed po. Can be monthly, quarterly, or annually depending on how matindi ang competition ninyo. Kung matapang yung competitors, dapat listo ka rin. Implement all these tips para mag-grow ninyo yung ating business in this very, very competitive market.